2021 Ford Puma Spy Photos, release date. The 2021 Ford Puma will be the new subcompact crossover. The company is already testing it, while the first teaser images became available. However, with so much time ahead of us before the new model debuts, we could see a lot of turnarounds. Also, the company didn't unveil too many details about the Puma. Well, we know it will have something to do with the new Ford Fiesta, which, by the way, is not coming to the US. Also, the subcompact segment is already occupied with EcoSport crossover. So, we will have to wait to see if Puma is replacing the smallest vehicle in the segment. What we know so far: the 2021 Ford Puma is definitely coming. The US carmaker released an official teaser with this model confirmed for the next season. However, precise release date and other details are still missing. We can only rely on the spy photos and test mules, although everyone knows the vehicle will be different when it enters production. This is not the only small model Ford is testing right now. Recently, we could see the new compact pickup truck, Courier. So, the carmaker is paying more attention to small vehicles in next couple of years. 2021 Ford Puma drivetrains. Based on the Fiesta, but having some things in common with EcoSport means there are few possibilities for 2021 Ford Puma engines. The hatchback is using a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 120 HP and 115 lb-ft of torque. Manual transmission with 5 gears is standard and automatic 6-speed gearbox is optional. Fiesta can also offer a beefed-up version of the same drivetrain that is available for ST model. In this case, the power output raises to 200 HP and 202 lb-ft. On the other hand, EcoSport offers two different units. The base model of the 2021 Ford Puma could get a 1.0-liter drivetrain. An inline-3 engine is capable to deliver 123 HP and 125 lb-ft of twist thanks to turbochargers. Naturally aspirated 2.0L 4-pot unit is an alternative with 165 HP and 150 pound-feet of torque. The first one sends power to front wheels, and the second mill shifts power to all four corners of the crossover. Hybrid. Ford has big plans for the future. The company is in every segment which shows promise. Recently, we can see it create small vehicles, Puma, Courier truck. But chiefs are ready to invest big into electrification. In next couple of years, a lot of blue oval vehicles will arrive with either hybrid or plug-in setup. Of course, there will be all-electric models as well. So, we have a reason to suspect that 2021 Ford Puma will bring a kind of a hybrid setup for the subcompact segment. Neither Fiesta nor EcoSport are offering such configurations. Well, these are only speculations. For the official confirmation, we will have to wait until the next year. 2021 Ford Puma Spy Photos, styling. Spy photos of the new crossover are there. Unfortunately, Ford wrapped the new Puma to hide everything. From the shape of the exterior, we can notice the upcoming model will have some similarities with the new Fiesta. US buyers won't see the fresh subcompact hatch next year, so it will be a real refreshment. Competition. Until this point, Ford is still mysterious about the new crossover. The 2021 Ford Puma could serve as a replacement for the EcoSport. Or, these two could be siblings, like Explorer and Bronco, both being offered for the midsize market. Also, we can see a similar approach by Nissan, who positioned Rogue Sport between Rogue and subcompact kicks. More theories are there, but we are sure the Puma crossover will face strong competition in Toyota CHR and Honda CR-V. Hyundai and Kia models sales are also growing recently. 2021 Ford Puma sales start, production. There is still over a year before the first official models of the 2021 Ford Puma appear. Well, since this is an all-new vehicle, the premiere could take place at the all-new Detroit Auto Show. The largest automotive exhibition was moved for summer, so Puma will have enough time to make it there. Still, the production and sales will start later in 2020. Ford already announced plans to build the crossover in the same plants as EcoSport. The most units for the European market are coming from factories in Craiova, Romania. The price of the subcompact model will be similar to the existing EcoSport. If the Puma takes the position under the currently smallest model, its price could drop under $20,000. However, high-end versions and possibly the crossover with ST tuning will cost significantly more. For example, turbocharged Fiesta is $4,000 more than the base one. Also, a fully equipped EcoSport adds nearly $9,000 more than the standard version. Whatsoever, at this point it is early to make precise prediction. With confirmation of engine lineup, we will have materials for price estimations.